y'all, it is growing. It goes all the way here. So this year it's growing like crazy because there's nothing else growing. So y'all, do I keep this? Do I pull it up? Mind you, look at that. Stickers, I've been stuck already. I tried 2 pair of gloves to pull it up. It wasn't helping. I need y'all advice. Should I keep that or should I toss it? Is it good to eat or is it poisonous? I don't know. I'm scared. I want to grow the berries, but I need some advice. Help a sister out. All right, y'all. Peace. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So guys, I need your help. Y'all see this right here? Guess what? This is berries. I didn't know what it was. I saw it last year, but my cucumbers were over here last year, and the cucumbers were humongous. They took up the entire area over here. But this year I pulled everything back.